Now we are going to start the next topic, punctuations. Punctuation, as you know, are the signs such as full stop, commas, quotation marks, dash, hyphen, colon, semicolon, etc. Few of them you have done in lower classes, such as full stop, you know it is put at the end of the sentence. Commas, you know that they are put in the things of the same kind. For example, Suraj enjoys tennis, badminton, and basketball. I bought an orange, 2 mangoes, and some grapes. We keep putting commas in between. Next is apostrophe. Use an apostrophe with an S or apostrophe S to show who owns something. Means when we are talking about someone's belonging or something which belongs to someone, we use apostrophe S. For example, Gyan's father is a doctor. Whose father? Gyan's father. The school will have 2 months vacation in May. Months, as we months already have S, so we are not going to put S again. We have a comma only, apostrophe comma. 2 months vacation May and June. It is Atul's book. Okay. Next is dash or hyphen. A dash is used in writing numbers or printing to connect numbers or to connect elements of a compound adjective. For example, session 2019-20, you know how we write it. We put dash in between. Next, Nasik-Pune highway means from Nasik to Pune highway. We put dash. Next, hyphen is used between the parts of a compound word or name or between the syllables of a word, especially when divided at the end of a line of text. Compound words, for example, class-wise, day to day, back to back, Radha Krishna. We put hyphen in between. Quotation marks are used when we are using someone's words as it is. We put them in inverted commas. For example, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi ji says, success in anything is true happiness. Means these are the exact words uttered by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi ji. So we are putting them in a quotation marks. Similarly, we must take situations as they are. We must only change our mental attitudes towards them. These are also again the exact words by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi ji. So we have put them in quotation mark. Next we have colons. Colons are used in the sentences to show that something is following, like a quotation, example, or list. For example, he wanted to see 3 cities in Italy. Which 3 cities? Colon, Rome, Florence, and Venice. There are 2 choices at this time. Which 2 choices? Again colon, run away or fight. Next is semicolon. Are used, which is symbolized as dot and then comma below it. It is used to join 2 independent clauses or 2 complete thoughts that could stand alone or complete sentence. For example, Dad is going bald. It is a complete sentence. Semicolon, his hair is getting thinner and thinner. Both are independent sentences. I had a huge meal. Again, this is a independent sentence. However, I am already hungry again. So these are segregated or punctuated by semicolons.